In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson XP 700 printer that is printing lines. When you see the lines here, like it's horizontal lines or there may be the vertical lines. When you see these lines, that means your printer needs the printhead alignment. For that we have to go to the printer control panel, click on the home button, scroll ahead and look for the maintenance. Click on the printhead alignment. If you have a vertical lines, you can use that. If you have horizontal alignment, you can use that. In case you have both things, you have to select one and then second. I'm going to do the horizontal alignment. It's going to print a page. Let's see the print result. We have to select a rectangle that is not overlapping in this page. So I can see the best result is number 6 is best. So you just have to select that number and click on the proceed. Press OK. Now the print result will improve and it will clear the lines that are coming up in the print. For vertical alignment, in the same way you have to select it and then it will improve the print quality. Hopefully this video will help you to fix that problem. So any lines you are seeing in your printing, you can just follow this method. Thanks for watching.